Welcome to my channel Geology for Beginners. Today our topic of discussion is rock cycle. Before start, I request you please subscribe my channel for upcoming lectures. So let's start. Rock cycle is the phenomena through which we learn how one rock type change into another with the passage of time by different processes. We will discuss these processes and the rock types in this lecture. Here you can see the picture. There are three rock types: sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, and igneous rock, and different processes like cooling and solidification, weathering and erosion, compaction and cementation, and heat and pressure. Starting from the magma, which is on the left top, this magma is cooling down and forming the igneous rock. These igneous rocks may be extrusive or may be intrusive, depends upon the cooling place of the magma. If magma cools within the surface, then it will form the intrusive, and if it comes to the surface and become lava and cools down, then it will form extrusive igneous rock. These igneous rocks then turn into the sediments by the process weathering and erosion you can see on the right side of the igneous rock. After that, the compaction and cementation of these sediments started, and they turn into the solid rock, which is called sedimentary rock. Compaction and cementation collectively called lithification. After that, these sedimentary rock turn into the metamorphic rock by the heat and pressure, and this metamorphic rock then again turn into the molten material magma by the melting. So in this way this rock cycle runs. The other scenario you can see the green arrows of on each rock type, which are showing the process weathering and erosion and turning all these rock types into the sediments, which means that each rock type can turn into the sediment by the weathering and erosion. Similarly, if you see the orange arrows, they are showing the melting of each rock type into the molten material magma. From here, we can say that each rock type can melt into the molten material magma, and this magma then again cool down and form the igneous. And similarly, if you see the um, and other two arrows, you can see the heat and pressure. They are turning the other rock types, like if you see on sedimentary as well on the igneous, they are turning these rock into the metamorphic by the heat and pressure. So these are the main processes and rock types that forms in rock cycle. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Thanks for watching.